Single Quickshade by Transportable Shade Sheds. Transportable Shade Sheds is a game changer in the global manufacturing industry. Our award-winning products boast a state-of-the-art bending and swaging technology that has sold over 70,000 units and counting, due to its strength and practical application. What a beautiful sunny day! The warmth of the sun can be a beautiful thing. But you wouldn't want your car, boat or caravan exposed to the damaging heat of the sun and other hazards. Don't worry, because we've got you covered. Presenting the durable and versatile Single Quickshade by Transportable Shade Sheds. An easy-to-build and sturdy outdoor shade solution. The Single Quickshade stands at 2.5 meters high, 3 meters wide, and 6 meters long. It is made from corrosion-resistant galvanized box steel tubing. Our patented design makes it quick and easy to assemble. It uses the scoping tube connection system. Just slip the pieces together, quick and easy. No cutting or welding required during its assembly. The Single Quickshade uses commercial-grade shade cloth that blocks 95% of the sun's UV rays, keeping anything underneath it cool and protected. The Quickshade is ideal to put on your pool, garden, vehicles, or simply extend your outdoor living space. You can also choose from a variety of colors for your shade cloth to match your home's exterior theme. There is also a variety of hold-down options that will suit your requirements. You can use the rock feature, which is visually appealing and is fully transportable. Ground anchors for semi-permanent application on good cohesive soil. Concrete Pier Kit, or the concrete diner bolt, for permanent applications on concrete. Another great feature of the Quickshade is that it can also be installed on uneven ground, or make higher with our optional riser kits. Don't waste your time on cheap and substandard products. Our products are 100% Australian designed, comes with engineered plans and certificates, and meets Australian standards. Our quality product and competitive pricing makes our Quickshade the clear and easy choice. You really can't beat that. Single Quickshade by Transportable Shade Sheds. Your quick and easy shade solution, wherever and whenever you need it. Get your Single Quickshade now. Contact us now to get a special deal on our Quickshade. Our special offer will expire soon, so pick up that phone and get shaded today. Click the like and share button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. To get more information and exciting deals, check the link to our website and Facebook page, down in the description box below.